It's a quick video presentation of our Defender 90. This is a 1999 TD5, the last engine made in-house by Range Rover. I personally think it's the best one they actually made. I'll start from the front because there's a lot to relate. So we have, apart from, before I go too far up, we have a skid plate that protects the steering components. The front end, all this is off a Defender XS, so it's upgraded. We have full LED lights. We have the AC front cone or front nose, whatever you want to call it. We have extended color matched fender flares. We have restored original tornado wheels. We have the snow cover for the air intake. We have a short antenna. We have excuse me, we have a very beautiful custom made leather interior. This looks stock, but it is leather, and you will notice that there's green stitching that is the same color as the outside of the car. We have turbulence. These are straight out of the 80s, very cool. We have a color matched we have a matching spare tire. We have a tow hitch. We have, as I said, LEDs all around. We have teak flooring. We have seating for 4 with OEM seat belts. We have the OEM headliner. The front and the back courtesy lights work. We have a aftermarket spare tire carrier, which takes away the weight of the tire from those hinges. That way they don't suffer and break. We have tinted windows in the back. So let me just give you an idea. Yeah, there you see it. Okay. We have a couple more things to relate, but bottom line is it's a very beautiful unit. This has never been a work truck. This has always only been used as a car. It has never been a part. This is as OEM as you can get. It's been repainted, it's been massaged, it's been upgraded, but it is in essence the best option for buying a Defender, because the body's never been off the car. There's never been any rusty parts. It's always only been a very nice vehicle.